The ACLU is suing the state of Indiana for refusing to pay for a sex change surgery for a convicted murderer who wants to transition from male to female. A state law that went into effect July 1st bans the Department of Corrections from using taxpayer money for sex reassignment surgeries for inmates. A cost the state attorney general says runs anywhere from $10,000 to $150,000, depending on the amount of work done. But the ACLU argues it is preventing inmates from changing their bodies to their preferred gender and violates the 8th Amendment, calling it cruel and unusual punishment. This is the inmate at the center of the controversy. Jonathan Richardson, who now goes by Autumn, convicted in 2001 of strangling his 11-month-old stepdaughter. The lawsuit states the inmate has identified as female since the age of 6. The lawsuit states the sex change surgery requested is a medical necessity to alleviate the inmate's gender dysphoria diagnosis. The ACLU did not provide comment to the media following the lawsuit being filed. Regarding the lawsuit, the state attorney general said, quote, "Hardworking residents want their tax dollars going toward things that benefit their family or their state as a whole, not surgeries to reverse inmates' God-given gender. We will not back down and will continue to back the rule of law." The ACLU won a similar case last year against the Federal Bureau of Prisons, representing a transgender who underwent surgery 6 months ago to transition to a female. There's been a recent wave of legislation in U.S. states impacting transgenders, from laws on gender-affirming care to the publicity of drag shows, largely with a focus on children's involvement. 19 states have passed legislation banning doctors from operating on minors for sex change procedures. This year, Tennessee became the first state to outlaw drag performances in public spaces where children could be present. Montana, North Dakota, Arkansas, Florida, and Texas followed suit. However, these laws are not enforceable as legal challenges play out in the various states. A judge ruled Thursday on a legal challenge brought by the ACLU against Texas, temporarily preventing the state ban on public drag shows to take effect. That ban would have gone in effect today. Another transgender-centered legal battle among states. 23 states have banned biological males from competing in female sports. While the U.S. continues its search for balance in protecting transgenders' rights while not inflicting injustice on others, Canada has taken notice. The country issued a travel advisory for those coming to the U.S., warning members of the LGBTQ+ community of potential discrimination in certain U.S. states, although Global Affairs says they have no complaints from Canadians over mistreatment of transgenders.
Thanks for watching. We know that Americans' trust in media is near an all-time low. That's why Straight Arrow News is on a mission to bring you unbiased, fact-based reporting. It's the way news should be. Join us at straightarrownews.com.